Welcome back, guys. Thank you all guys for coming in, tuning in, and watching my channel. And for, like I always say, for everybody, hit that like button, and for my new people, please subscribe and stay tuned for more. So today I'm gonna go over what is a dividend and how does it work. If you're wondering why I'm staring down, it's because I got my notes over here. So pretty much I'm gonna get straight to it. A dividend is pretty much a payment shareholders receive after earnings from a company. Some companies don't even pay dividends. Some pay monthly, some pay quarterly, semi-annually, and annually. Obviously do your research before you even invest into the company, because you want to make sure your money is not in somewhere that's bad or can go bankrupt, or the company is just nothing in general. Just because a company doesn't give dividends is not a bad thing. For example, I'm gonna use Tesla. Tesla was $400 at a point, and now it's at $960, I believe. So that's $560 of profit you could have made off of that one share. But that's not the point of this video. Let me stop getting off topic. So pretty much, in order to get paid a dividend, you must own the stock before the ex-dividend date, and you must hold it until the record date. Those of you who are not understanding what I'm saying, it's totally fine. I'm gonna put up a picture, and that's gonna literally explain the simplest way possible so you can understand what is a dividend and how does it work. I myself am a dividend investor due to the fact that I'm a long-term investor. I don't plan on selling none of my stocks anytime soon. I literally just want to make money off of it, laying back and relaxing. My medium-term goal is to make $100 a month. In order to do that, I gotta make $1,200 a year. And right now, at the moment, I'm at about $200 at a year. It seems like a far away, but if you reinvest your dividends into your portfolio, that's gonna accumulate and keep investing into it on a weekly basis, or whenever you can. Again, it's all up to you. You can make real good money off of it. So let me get back to my topic. So if you don't own the stock between the ex-dividend date and the record date, you will not qualify for dividends. So make sure you do your information and know what day is for what day, depending on what company you're trying to get dividends off of. Let me go over how like I said, not all companies pay dividends, but that doesn't mean it's a bad company. For example, Amazon doesn't pay dividends, and it's like a huge company. So like Amazon is worth like 2,400 shares, something like that right now. So that's pretty crazy. Imagine getting a dividend from a company like that. Like, that's gonna be crazy. So like I said, dividends can come out in several forms. Some come directly into your bank account. Some you can stays on the platform, you can reinvest. Some you can just cash out. So yeah, there's multiple ways of making money off of companies that give dividends. I really recommend to be a dividend investor, especially in the long term. It really helps out, and it's really good for yourself. You can really just you really multiply your portfolio, and you can just blast off. So it's not a bad thing to do. Keep it in mind. Always do your research, know what you're getting yourself into. And that's pretty much it, to be honest. I pretty much said everything I wanted to say. So there's your answer of what is dividend and how does it work. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please leave in the comment section what you think about this. And those of you guys who want to get into and who are beginners and you want to learn more about the stocks and all that stuff, the stock market and everything, I recommend M1 Finance and Robinhood. I'm going to leave those in the description below. If you haven't seen my previous video, I pretty much went over M1 Finance. So those of you who are interested to watch that, please go ahead over and watch that. And I'm gonna leave that in the description if you want to join M1 Finance, and I'm gonna leave a Robinhood in the description also if you want to join it. Don't be scared. Do your research and learn. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just here teaching you simple things. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video, what I could do better, and etc. Thank you all guys for tuning in.